Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your currency on Trust Wallet. So let's dive into the video right away since the process is quite easy. Launch Open Trust Wallet application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into the account, tap on the gear button at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up the settings menu from where you will need to tap on Preferences. Tap on the currency option at the very top and select the currency of your choice from the list. Soon after you tap on one of the choices, you will then be able to change your default currency to something else of your preference on Trust Wallet. So that is how quickly and easily it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.